Hi, I'm Vinny, this is Makeify. The lower tire on my bandsaw recently broke, so I got some new urethane tires. I'm going to replace the tires on both wheels, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Now, a quick little disclaimer. This isn't really a how-to video because I've never actually done this before. This is more of a watch me do this and learn from my mistakes type of video. So the first thing we need to do is get these urethane tires into some hot water so that they'll expand and it'll be easier to get them onto the tires. So I'm gonna go get a pot of hot water. While those are warming up, I'm going to take off the blade and take off the top tire. Now, a lot of times with rubber tires like this, they will actually be glued on and you'll need to clean off that glue. But these tires, well, maybe they were glued on at one point, but that glue is all pretty much gone. Now, my tires came with this tool, but you could easily make one of these yourself. It's just looks like a piece of dowel rod, and then there's a nail in it, and around that nail is just a little piece of plastic tubing, thicker than a straw, but similar to that. You could probably, instead of the tubing, you could just probably use another piece of dowel with a hole drilled in it. Okay, I'm going to try to put the top tire on. One suggestion: get the tire on, and you can get a block of wood and a clamp, like a spring clamp or a C-clamp, and clamp it into place as you work this around. This is a small bandsaw, and there's not a lot of room to do that, so I'm gonna just try doing it with my hands. I don't know. And this is where the tool comes in handy. You can hold it in place and work the tool around. Try to stretch this thing on. I might have to clamp it. You know what? This might be easier if I took the wheel off. Let's try that. All right. So the wheel's on, but I still have the tool in, and what I'm going to do is go around this another, I don't know, 1 or 2 times to make sure everything is even. Okay, I'm just going to put the wheel back on. And move down to the bottom one. Now, this bottom wheel, I really don't want to have to take this off. It's kind of a pain. But there is more room to work around here, so hopefully it'll be easy. Alright, I got it on, but I need to even it out. tool is actually pretty handy for also pressing in the tire into the groove. Got the tires on, I'm gonna get the blade back on and get it all adjusted, and then we'll try it out. That was not as bad as I expected. It really wasn't that hard to do. It was easier to do at the top wheel because I could take that off, but the bottom wheel wasn't too bad. If anyone's curious, this is a Craftsman model 351.214000 10-inch bandsaw. Rikon makes a bandsaw that's identical, same parts, just a different color and a different name on the front. I hope you liked the video, got some useful information out of it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to keep up to date with my news videos, or check out my other channel, Makeify 2. I'll also have some social media links here in a second. Thanks for watching. Now to go have some fun with this. Band them, loosen them up so that that was not, ooh, that was making all sorts of noise. Okay, try again. You can also subscribe to keep up to date with my news channel. Thanks for watching. Ooh, that was weird. I hope you liked the video. Hopefully, I forgot what I was gonna say. You can also subscribe to keep up to date with my news videos, or these studio lights are hot.